Nadia, look at this. Come here. What he is trying to do? He trying to get money from his insurance company.
What? Are they trying to illegally get the money from the insurance company through the insurance claim fraud?
Yes, Nadia.
But why?
Some people may do it because they are struggling financially, but some people may do it because they think they will not be able to profit from insurance provider.
I see. But it is still a crime to be dishonest to this insurance company. So may you please explain to me about the insurance claim fraud?
Yes, sure. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nabilah Binti Noradzwan, and today I would like to explain about insurance claim fraud. Based on the article of Consumer Behaviour and Insurance Claim Fraud in Malaysia, we can identify factors impacting consumer behaviour against insurance claim fraud.
But wait.
Yes?
I can't understand what is insurance. Can you explain to me?
Insurance have been crucial for people, but before purchase, it is important to understand the insurance. Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of uncertain loss. It is a way to manage your risk. When you buy insurance, you purchase protection against unexpected financial losses. So the insurance company pays you if something bad happened to you. So you get it?
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
Alright, good. Insurance is very important. But however, for a certain people, insurance is considered as a waste if it is not covered without a loss. Thus, absolute trust is one of the principles of insurance where honesty regarding coverage details is very important. However, some customers have been dishonest in order to get the insurance industry claims by fraud, and this is called as insurance claim fraud. This applies to any fraud such as application fraud, illegitimate denial fraud, false claim fraud, fake deed fraud, forgery and identity theft fraud, and lastly, false police report. The main cause contributing to this issue is the claimant's attempt to obtain benefits or insurance from loss. As a result of prevalent fraud in this field, many false statements have been made. For an example, according to Teo Pei Ying in New Straits Times 17 July 2018, man caught filing false police report to make insurance claim. A businessman logged a police report claiming that his car was stolen in Bukit Puchong. Sensing something wrong, the officer investigated the 33-year-old man. However, the policeman's instincts proved to be correct. The police traced her car and his brother is using it. Subang Jaya District Police Chief Assistant Commissioner Muhammad Azli Sadari added that individuals who log false police report could be jailed a maximum of 6 months or fined not more than 2,000 ringgit or both if they were found guilty. Based on the observation, the factors driving insurance claim fraud are attitude of consumer, especially in perceived fairness, moral hazard, and economic obstacle in the insurance arrangement. We will go to the first one, which is perceived fairness. Perceived fairness is due to unequal treat offered by insurer. These factors has eventually played a highly crucial role due to the possibility that it will become more outstanding. It is highlights that excessive charge is made on the premium by insurers, which encourage customers to commit insurance claim fraud. Next, moral hazard. Moral hazard is a hazard that arises due to the attitude or behavior of the insured. In moral hazard situation, one party entering into the agreement provides misleading information, or change their behavior after the agreement has been made, because they believe that they won't face any consequence for their actions. For an example, a driver with a car insurance policy may take less caution when driving his or her car than a person without a car insurance policy. The driver who has a car insurance policy assumes that if an accident happens, the insurance provider will pay the entirety of the bill. Besides, National Fraud Strategy stressed that one of the causes of insurance claim fraud is economic obstacles, which are the current challenges for insurers. Customers will be pressured into committing insurance claim fraud because of unstable economy. For an example, customers often do damage to their own property in order to generate premiums from the insurance provider, such as burning the building of a firm on purpose to obtain insurance for a business damage recovery from the insurance organizations. From the analysis, 55% of them were related to the behavior of customer, while 45% of them were associated with another influencing factors of insurance claim fraud. According to Insurance Claim 2014 to 2017 sourced from Bank Negara Malaysia, it shows that 500 million were spent annually for insurance claim fraud in Malaysia and approximated that it is 17% from the overall annual claims, which is 3 billion. Moreover, Jayaprakash Ambavanar, head of Claims Alliance General Insurance Corporation Malaysia Berhad, stated that there were 6 fraud cases reported monthly from 2014 to 2016. According to investigation, data collection regarding this percentage of insurance consumer to the life protection was made. The consciousness among Malaysian citizens regarding self-protection could be seen. Moreover, it was indicated that consumer of insurance policy mostly comprised of people from the age group of 18 to 30 years old. According to Berita Harian 2017, people of this group represented 45% of the overall Malaysian citizen. From here, it can be seen that young people had higher knowledge and consciousness of this matter. As for those from the age group of 31 to 39 years old in average, 35% of them had consciousness regarding their life protection. This creates a difference of 10% when compared to the percentage of people from former age group, which was 45%. Furthermore, it was found that consumers' consciousness of life protection decreased at the age of 40 to 49 years old. The same case occurred to those from the age group 50 to 59 years old. This could be seen from a mere 5% of people of this age group were found to be consciousness of the significance of insurance. Furthermore, based on insurance claim data, there has been increase in the overall number of participants who purchase insurance for their protection since 2015, which result in 5% increase in 2016. From this, it can be seen that the consciousness regarding this matter among Malaysian citizens has become more prominent. Therefore, knowledge on the capability of insurance company of providing maximum advantage and benefits to consumers is important. Based on the table, there had been several changes occurring between 2015 and 2016, specifically in the increase and decrease of the frequency of insurance claim purchase. Besides, when excessive amount of claim was requested by the participant, it will possibly result in the deterioration of insurance industry. It could be seen from the table there was an excessive amount of claims which insurance organization needed to spend for the insured. According to the table, medical insurance is the particular type of insurance organizations to pay higher average expense for claims. In fact, medical insurance are knowledgeable of the advantage and benefits they could obtain from insurance organization. To overcome this issue, Strategies are important to avoid the insurer from experiencing the same problem in future and for prevention against loss of billion ringgit in Malaysia. First, insurance company can implement a foundation framework. This should reflect a question such as, how can we keep track of changing fraud behavior? How can we improve fraud investigation efficiency? And what is the best approach to automate the fraud detection process and predict the likelihood of fraud? Next, continually review and risk claims. Before proceeding to the claim, insurance company must make survey to verify the claims and accident search, make sure coverage and analysis, witness interview, and claimant background check. Lastly, adopt a layered approach. This refers to various tools and technologies to address challenge. Nowadays, many technological instruments used to detect a fraud. For example, videos, photos, and even live streaming can be used to document evidence at a car crash or crime scenes. It's difficult for a person to fake a video, especially when the device location access is turned on. Now, let's watch this video. From the video, we can see a man is facing fraud charge after surveillance video appears to show him fake a fall at his former place of work. According to NewYork.cbslocal.com, Alexander Goldinski, 57, can be seen blatantly tossing a cup full of ice on the floor and throwing the cup away. He then walks back to the ice cubes strewn about the floor and appears to carefully place his next step and then falls. Goldinski is seen flat on his back. Prosecutors have charged him with insurance fraud and theft by deception and say the fall was no accident. When the video showing him throw ice on the floor was shown to him, he replied, "I didn't do it, it was a mistake." Investigators say that the footage speaks for itself. It happened at an unnamed company in Woodbridge where Goldinski was working as an independent contractor. He later filed a claim for an ambulance and treatment at the hospital for injuries and he claims sustained. After his arrest, he was released with a summons until he faced a charge. So from the situation, we can see that video, photos, and CCTV is very important as evidence to prove the fraud that made by customer to make a claim fraud. Insurance claim fraud has been identified as a serious issue worldwide due to adverse impact of consumer attitude. There has been an increase of insurance claim fraud day by day. This will lead to losses of billion ringgit Malaysia if not curbed. In my opinion, instead of providing wrong information, customers are responsible for providing true information about themselves to the insurance provider. In addition, that is observed that the analysis of the equality of the amount given to the insurance purchase is crucial to the policy. As for insurance organization, accurate information regarding the policy which will be bought by consumer should be provided in the prevention of confusion regarding the offers by insurance company. Thus, it is important for insurer to ensure the presence of additional coverage and premium by acquiring the policyholder in the prevention of the inequality in the policy agreement. Insurance claim fraud will burden insurance company and cause huge losses in Malaysia. Thus, we should be honest and responsible person for our country. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum.